It's fundraising time for the presidential candidates. The latest data in for Democratic frontrunner Hillary Clinton. Names like Tesla's Elon Musk, Facebook's Sheryl Sandberg, Hollywood Uber producer and director Steven Spielberg, and of course Jeff Katzenberg are among the biggest donors to her campaign in the last quarter. Secretary Hillary Clinton raised $8.1 million in California. That's 17% of the total of $47 million that she raised in the latest quarter, according to federal filings. In the meantime, Republican hopeful Jeb Bush raised more than $144,000 from more than 50 Goldman Sachs bankers. Most of them donated the maximum $2,700 allowed. Mark Crumpton joins me now for more.
Nothing surprising. Sheryl Sandberg told Bloomberg back in April, I'd like to see her, Mrs. Clinton, as president, and I'd like to see more women presidents all over the world. So I guess we kind of knew where her money was going. But this is not something that is not unusual in Democratic circles.
Mark.
No, not at all.
That Wall Street bankers support Republicans is unsurprising.
Not at all.
And that Hollywood and Silicon Valley supports the Democratic frontrunner, that's unsurprising as well.
Well, in this Bloomberg story here, it says that Creative Artists Agency ranked among the best places for Mrs. Clinton to raise money. More than 50 employees from the talent agency donated a total of more than $80,000. Other top California money sources included employees at Facebook and at Google. So they're tapping into that star power again, as they usually do. And of course, there's always been the complaint, at least from Republican circles, that California and Hollywood have a liberal bias, and the money seems to bear that out.
This seems to be the perfect evidence for them. It's also perfect evidence for Republicans who say that Hillary Clinton is out of touch with the public, that she mixes among the elite. You know, you can't get any more elite than some of the Hollywood movers and shakers. You might say the same, of course, for the Wall Street bankers themselves. But look, I mean, this is a little bit of fuel, I would say, for her opponents who say she is, she's with the 1% or the top 0.5% even, and she's out of touch with the middle class.
You know, that's an interesting thing, because when you struggle to make money and then all of a sudden you make money, people say that you're out of touch. Remember the legal bills that the Clintons had? Well, that's another story, too. Next hour, we're going to keep talking about Greece, as you say, and we mean this with all due respect, but it's the stories like the gift that keeps on giving. There are so many different facets to this story. Anne von Pross, she's the managing director of Sovereign Risk at Moody's. She's going to be joining us to talk about what is going on with Greece now that the parliament has passed these anti-austerity measures, which a lot of people say are more draconian than the ones that they agreed to back earlier this year. So we'll discuss that more.
A chokehold on the economy. Mark.